Lumens, your reliable partner. Lumens' first 4K ceiling camera, the CL511. Lumens CL511 is designed to be suspended from the ceiling, or embedded into the roof space. Set at a height of 2 meters, the camera delivers a unique perspective. With the camera and its cabling concealed in the ceiling, the presentation area is kept free of clutter. Overhead cameras are great for cookery demonstrations and training. Overhead cameras can be installed above treatment tables and physio benches for medical training and assessment. Capturing the finest details, the CL511 is a great way for architects and urban planners to record, share, and collaborate on the design process. The CL511 can laser project a marker to indicate the center point of the shooting area. This makes it child's play to position objects accurately in the middle of the frame. The CL511 supports a wireless mouse to access onboard collaboration tools, such as annotation, spotlight and mask, picture-in-picture, and video playback. The camera supports power over Ethernet and video streaming over IP networks. This means that the visualizer can be powered, operated, controlled and connected by a single network cable. Lumens CL511 features a professional Sony sensor which shoots sharp 4K video at 30 frames per second. The CL511 is ultra-flexible. You can zoom in tight to capture the finest detail of a document, or a specific part of an object. As well as focusing in tight, the camera can shoot wide. It will capture documents or objects larger than A0 in size at full 4K resolution. Lumens CL511, a powerful 4K ceiling camera. Breaking your visual barrier. Thank you for watching. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.